If God is like this, then why can we not know Him? What is the impediment? There is one energy that is creating the impediment. God gives us the freedom to forget Him if we so wish. This energy is creating an illusion which is not the reality. But at the same time, it is also ensuring our corrections. So it's ensuring that vimukh from God, we can never be happy. त्रिभिर गुणमयैर्भावैर एभिः सर्वमिदं जगत् मोहितं नाभिजानाति मामेभ्यः परमव्ययम्. Translation: deluded by the three modes of Maya, people in this world are unable to know me, the imperishable and the eternal. Now somebody can say, if God is like this, then why can we not know Him? What is the impediment? So he is now saying there is one energy that is creating the impediment. And that energy is the material energy called Maya. So what is this material energy Maya doing? Ma means not. Ya means is. So Maya means that which is not. This energy is creating an illusion which is not the reality. So that kind of illusion, when Ved Vyasa writes the Bhagavad, Janmadyasya tonvayaditaratashthartheshu bhigyaswarat tene brahmaridayadi kave muhyanti yatsuraya tejo vari mridam yatha vinimayo yatra trisargo mrisha dhamna svena sada nirastukuhakam satyam param dhimahi. So he is doing the Mangalacharan Ved Vyas, that Lord from whom the whole universe has emanated, and that Lord whose Maya, consisting of the three gunas, puts everybody in illusion. That supreme absolute truth, I offer my obeisance to Him. So if Maya is putting us in illusion, then Maya is a very bad thing. And we said, that in Vedic philosophy there is no Satan. Then Maya is a substitute for Satan. It is making us forget God. Actually, Maya is performing two functions. Those souls who do not wish to surrender to God, Maya is creating a playground for them where they can continue without surrendering to God. Those souls who do not wish to submit, what is this Radhe, 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 I am not interested in God, I am God. So Maya says, come, you come in the material world and you can be God out here. Everybody can take the place of God. Taking the place of God means I am the enjoyer, I am the proprietor. This is material consciousness. I am the Lord of all that I own, and I am the master of all that I see. So this material consciousness is permitting us to play God, and it's created by Maya. God gives us the freedom to forget him if we so wish. He says, all right, I'm giving you a rope. You can go and hang yourself with it. So Maya is putting us into illusion. But at the same time, it is also ensuring our corrections. So it's ensuring that vimukh from God, we can never be happy. That guarantee Maya takes. Himate anal prakat baru hoi vimukh ram sukh pavan koi. Tulsidas ji has written the Ramayana that vimukh ram, with back to God, nobody. Fire may emanate from the ice. This impossible may become possible. But forgetful of God, somebody can be happy? Impossible. People come and ask, Swamiji, why is it that people who do so much of bad, they are happy? I say, never allow that doubt in your mind. Because if you start thinking that bad people are happy, then you'll say, I should also do bad so that I can also be happy. Be firmly convinced that vimukh of God, nobody will be happy. Maya Devi will take care. It seems to you, this person is happy although he is doing all 400 BC, because you are seeing the externals. This is the size of the car, the size of the house, and this is the brand of the watch, and etc. And if you look inside, you'll say, Ram, 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 I am much better than this politician, this film star, etc. Right? So, Maya Devi is serving God. Its service is to allow the souls to live their lives in forgetfulness, create that illusion, the playground, and also keep on jibing them so that slowly, slowly they mature in their realization, I can't find happiness here. So Maya is a Shakti. Now in Advait Vedant, Shankaracharya, he said Maya doesn't exist. Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya Jivo Brahmaiva Napara. Because if he accepts that Maya exists, then there'll be two entities, one God and one Maya. And that will disprove his Advait. So he said there is no such thing as Maya. So he said you just do Aham Brahmasmi and Maya will disappear. But it is the Shakti of God. It is not going to go by your Aham Brahmasmi. So Dasi Raghubir ki, and because it's God's Shakti, it has got the power of God. Now, if somebody who's got TB, he punches you, nothing will happen. Punch again. And if some Dara Singh comes along and punches you, you will not live to tell the story. It's the power behind the punch that counts. And the power behind Maya is God Himself. So that is why the Chatushloki Bhagavat, which I said, Ahameva Samevarage, telling you on a second verse of that. Ritertham yat pratiyeta na pratiyeta chatmani tad vidyadatmano mayam yatha bhaso yatha tama. Again, Sri Krishna is telling Brahma, this Maya is only perceived in absence of me. But without my presence, it cannot be perceived. Now use your head. This Maya is only perceived in absence of me. Bhagavan is saying. But without my presence, it cannot be perceived. The energy is coming from God. But you will only perceive it when your consciousness is devoid of God. So this Maya is a servant. God has got two kinds of servants. One is the saints who are explaining his personality. This is how he is, this is how he is. And they are trying to attract the souls towards the Lord. So the saints are serving. Wait, this is how Bhagavan is, this is how you will benefit. Come on. We are his marketing agents. But nobody will listen to these saints. One Swamiji has come to Irvine. What Swamiji? I know everything. Arey, he is going to tell you the signs of happiness. What signs of happiness? I know everything. Nobody is going to listen to any Swamiji. But then the material energy Maya does its work and it troubles the soul. So when we experience misery, whether it is through relationships, through business, through health, or through the mind itself, then we say, this world is all bogus. That what Swamiji was saying, there's a God, that must be the truth. So without vairagya, renunciation, detachment, you cannot develop faith. And that detachment is created by Maya when it gives us miseries. So Maya is also serving us. Sri Krishna says here in this verse that look, this Maya is putting everybody in illusion.